Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. In order to gain fluency and confidence, one-on-one conversation is very important. It plays a crucial role in your development or in developing fluency and confidence in speaking in English. So that is why we have to start with one-on-one conversation, and then we need to go to advanced stage, like start speaking to people in groups. Okay, once we start gaining confidence, we will be able to speak to people in groups as well. Now, the best form of one-on-one conversation is small talks. And we do it every day. We do it in our mother tongue also. And it's not something which is new or foreign to us, that we have to develop that, or we have to, just keep on thinking that I have to do a small talk or I have to start a small talk. No, we do a lot of small talks. We meet our neighbors, we meet our friends, we meet our colleagues, we meet a lot of people, strangers also. We ask some question, right? We ask some information. So that is a small talk, right? When we go to buy a vegetable, we ask the vendor, is it fresh? How much this costs? Right? So what are these? These are small talks, guys, right? So we do it every day. It's just that we have to start taking that and speaking it in English. We have to grab opportunities. We have to create opportunities for ourselves to start speaking in English with small talks. So that is why I am discussing small talk topics from past 2 sessions, so that it gets easier for you to understand what small talk is, how you can start small talk with people around you, and how you can become fluent and confident in speaking in English by this method. Right? So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. But if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. And by the way, I've created a shorts channel also for your personality and career development. Please subscribe to my channel as well. I'll give the link in the description, as well as I'll pin in the comments as well. Now let's get started. Now, why I'm focusing on small talks only right now? I'm focusing on small talks just because it will help you in 2 ways. One, you will become an active listener, right? Small talks are short conversations. Okay, now the duration is less. So when you're listening to somebody, you have to be attentive. Somebody asks you a question. If you miss something, you'll not understand what the person has asked, right? So you have to be focused. You have to be an active listener. When somebody is talking to you, you have to give your full attention to that person. And we do that, right? When somebody asks us something while meeting somewhere at some place, we do give attention and we do reply to that person. So first is, you will become an active listener in this way if you focus on small talks, right? Or if you start working on small talks. The second one is, you will be habituated to question and answer, right? So it will be easier for you to ask questions and answer questions. So once you're comfortable with this format of asking and answering, it will be much easier for you to have conversation with people in English anywhere, anytime, on any topic later, right? So that is why this is just an exercise for you to warm up, right? When we do warm-ups before exercising, this is just the same. Before speaking, for going and facing the actual situation, we are warming up. We are just preparing ourselves in that mode, or to get into that mode, right? What are conversations? Conversations are basically, somebody asks a question and we just start replying to it. We give a description of about that thing, and then we ask the same question to the other person, or some other questions are asked, and then the conversation grows. Okay, so it's basically a format of question and answer. So we are training ourselves to answer questions and to ask questions, to frame questions immediately, quickly, to transform our ideas into questions and answers. So that is what this exercise will help you with. So that is why take it seriously and start working on it from today, right now. So now let's take some situations. So when we meet somebody outside, the one question or one thing topic we talk about is weather or climate, right? It's very natural. It comes out naturally, guys, when we meet somebody, and if it is too cold, we say, oh, it's chilly outside, right? Or if it is too hot, it just comes out of our mouth like, it's so hot today. I'm feeling thirsty. I want to drink something. We do say this, right? It naturally comes out. So weather or climate is one topic which is very, very, very commonly spoken about. So this is another topic which we can start taking up while small talks. So for example, we are meeting our friends, or we are meeting our relatives or neighbor or colleagues. Some things we can talk about is, it's raining heavily outside. When it's going to stop, right? Or it's so hot outside, isn't it? The weather is changing so quickly. It's getting hotter day by day. It's getting colder day by day, right? These are the things we do talk about. Or we say, I don't like this weather. What do you think? Okay. So when you take this topic, weather or climate, there are lots of things we can talk about, right? We can simply discuss the climate change or the weather change, or we can just discuss the weather which is there right now in your city or at a place, right? We do talk about. So when we meet our colleagues, friends, neighbors, relatives, or strangers also, if we are sitting somewhere, if we are meeting somebody, if you're waiting for something, and we can just have a discussion or a quick chat on this in this way. Okay, another very interesting topic is about our plans, right? Weekend plans or holiday plans or vacation plans. We all get holidays, right? We all take holidays and we all plan for a vacation or a picnic or a staycation or a trip, a short trip or a long trip. We do it, right? We go to our hometown, we go to tourist places, we go to hill stations, etc. There are lots of places we do visit, we plan, right? So this is another thing we can talk about, a very common topic which people take up, and we can have conversations on the small talks on these topics. The best part of small talk is we can have these topics, or we can use these topics to talk to strangers also. When we are at an event or annual gathering or any conference or anywhere else, right, where we meet strangers, we can just have a chat, quick chat on these topics. Our weekend plans, or what do you do during weekends, or what do you do during your free time? How was your weekend? What are your plans for this coming weekend? Okay, or the holiday season is coming. What are your plans? What are your New Year plans? What are your Christmas plans? What are your Diwali plans? Etc. There are lots of things we talk about. Summer vacation plans, right? So this is a very common topic, very common thing we can start talking about to people when we meet them for a quick conversation. We can take this topic with anyone, whether the person is known to you or unknown to you, right? Another topic we can take up is about shopping. We all love shopping and we all do shopping, right? There are lot types of shoppings like apparels, furnitures, or home decor, or kitchen stationery, etc. There are lots of shopping. In fact, we shop for groceries also every month, right? So we go to vegetable vendors, we go to fruit vendors, right? So we do a lot of shopping every time. So we can have small talks or small conversations there also. When we go to a store, we do look for something, right? If we are not able to find, we ask for help. Where can I find this? Or can you please help me out with this item? Or what is the price for this item? Or is this on sale? Right? What is the sale price? So we do ask these questions there at the store. We go to vegetable and fruit vendors. We do ask about it. Is it fresh? What is the price of this? Or do you have this? Do you have that? We do ask, right? So while buying groceries or fruits, vegetables, or shopping for your clothes or home essentials, anything and everything, we do shop and we do go and talk to people, right? We ask about the price, we ask about items, we ask about sale. So this is another situation where we can have small talk conversations. Apart from this, we can also talk about our experience, our shopping experience, right? When somebody goes for a shopping and they talk about it, we do ask, so what did you shop? How did you find things there? How was the store? Whether it was reasonable or not, whether the stuffs were good or not, what kind of collections they have, right? The lots of questions we do ask about when we get to know that somebody has gone for shopping, especially our friends or relatives when they tell us that I went for shopping yesterday to buy some clothes. So the first question we ask is, so what did you get there? Did you like the stuffs? What did you buy? How was it? Whether it was reasonable or not, whether the quality was good or not. What can I find there? Right? All these questions we do have. We do talk about this in our mother tongue. So why can't we take up these topics and start speaking to people about it, about their shopping experience, about their store experience? Why can't we talk about the accessories, footwears, jewelry, etc.? There are lots of things we can talk about, right? So we can discuss this with people. We can say, do you like bags? What kind of bags do you like? Handbags or clutches, purses, there are lots of things we can talk about. We can also talk about, do you like wearing jewelries? What kind of jewelry do you like? Can you please suggest me a good store to buy some jewelry? Right? So these are some things which we do talk about. So it's just that we have to start thinking about it in English, and we have to start grabbing opportunities and creating opportunities for ourselves to start speaking on these topics. We have to be alert about it. We should know what to talk about and what topic we need to discuss today or talk to people about. So one by one, you can take up this topic every single day. Take up one topic and speak to people, whoever you meet in your office or in your society or wherever you go outside for shopping or eating or with your friends. So you can start taking up one topic and start speaking on it, having small talk conversations with people on those topics. This is absolutely going to help you guys to become fluent and confident in speaking in English, because you're actually going and facing the situation. You're trying to ask questions, you're trying to answer questions in this way, and you're trying to be an active listener. You're trying to focus on what conversation is going on, what the other person is talking about. And when you will become an active listener, when you listen to people, when you focus on the other person's ideas, you will also get a lot of other ideas also. You'll get new ideas, and you can start framing sentences, and you can start asking or putting it across. So becoming an active listener will help you in many ways. It will help you to instantly grab ideas or catch the ideas from the other person's conversation, and you can come up with a question, or we can come up with some other ideas or thoughts, and you can just put it across. Okay, so this is how the conversation grows. So you have to be an active listener. You have to start including question and answer in your conversations. You should know how to question, you should know how to answer, right? So get into the mode of conversations with small talks and one-on-one conversations. This is going to help you to become fluent and confident in speaking in English. And these topics are very simple, guys. We do speak about it every single day. We do something or the other every single day. So we can just take up one topic and we can start speaking with people or discussing with people on it. We meet a lot of colleagues, we meet a lot of friends, we meet a lot of relatives, we meet a lot of other people every single day, right? Start speaking to them on these topics and you'll see a lot of difference. And this will make you confident and fluent in speaking in front of people on any topic in English. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye and take care.